Hey everybody, check this out. Are the leaves on your avocado tree turning yellow and falling? Like mine? Look at all those avocado leaves on the ground. And look at all the yellow leaves on the tree. So is it time to panic and freak out? Well, the answer is no. This is normal part of the tree's life cycle. This is the yearly cycle in which old leaves fall, and if you look close, new leaves are coming in. So this is a reed avocado and it's in full flower. And guess where the tree gets its energy to flower and produce all of this heavy bloom, this beautiful heavy bloom? That's right, the answer is that energy comes from the old leaves. So what's happening right now is the tree is sapping these old last year's growth of energy to push the production of these beautiful avocado flowers. Now reed holds on to it and it gradually loses its leaves. I've seen other varieties that they quickly get completely bare, and people really start to freak out and panic. But again, it's completely normal, and new leaves are coming in. Alright guys, this is a good example of what I just mentioned. This is the Pinkerton avocado, and most of its leaves are gone. So when people see this, they really think the tree is dying. And the tree doesn't look the best right now. It's just pretty barren. And it takes a lot of nutrients to produce all these nice flowers. So the tree really sucked all the nutrients out of those leaves, and now they're all on the ground, if you can see there. But yeah, when people really freak out when they see something like this. But if you look already, look, new growth is coming in. This is all new growth that popped up within the last month. Yeah, about the last month. So the tree's on its way back. So that's the cycle. The cycle is leaves, flowers, leaves drop, fruit develops, and then new leaves come in to protect the fruit. And then that cycle repeats itself year after year. Alright everybody, thanks for watching.